I'm going to teach you here's how to learn Notion from scratch. Start by heading to notion.so in your web browser and logging into your account. Notion works in the browser and has desktop and mobile apps, but the basics are the same everywhere. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and click the plus new page button. This creates a blank canvas where everything you add is organized as blocks. Go ahead and rename the page so it's easy to find later. Something simple like, My First Notion Page, works great and gives your workspace a clear starting point. Now let's add content. Type / then text, to insert a plain text block, and start typing your notes. The / command is your shortcut to almost everything in Notion, so get comfortable with it early. Keep your notes short and clear. You can add as many text blocks as you like. To structure your page, type / then heading, and pick the size you want. Headings help you break your page into sections, like overview, ideas, or next steps. This makes the page easier to scan and keeps related content together. When you want a quick checklist, type / then to do. This adds a to-do list you can tick off as you work. It's perfect for tracking small tasks, reminders, or steps you don't want to forget. You can add new to-do items just by pressing enter, and each item becomes its own block. Next, let's add a simple database. Type / then table, and choose table, inline. This places a table directly on your page so you can see it alongside your notes. Think of it like a flexible spreadsheet. Use it to collect tasks, notes, or ideas in one place. Click below the last row to add more entries. Each row can represent a task or an idea, and you can keep typing to quickly capture everything that comes to mind. As your page grows, you can reorganize anything by dragging blocks up or down. Hover over the left side of a block to grab the handle, then move it where it fits best. Rearranging is fast, and it helps you keep the most important information at the top. When you're ready to show your work to others, click Share at the top of the page. From there, you can choose how you want to share it, whether with teammates or collaborators. And that's how you learn the basics of Notion from scratch, simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. If you like my video, hit like, share and subscribe.